For years, one-component adhesives and sealants have been available in tubes and cartridges that fit neatly into a caulking gun. No fuss, no muss. But two-component adhesives and sealants are a different story. At first, they were supplied in separate cans. To use them, the user had to complete a two-step process. First, measure the correct proportions of A and B. Then mix them by hand with a spatula. This method was messy, to say the least. Even worse, it was also inaccurate, which could reduce the strength of the adhesive. Hand mixing was eventually replaced by the static mixing method, in which two cartridges of A and B component are placed side by side. When the user dispenses the product, each component is proportioned into and through a static mixer. This is a big improvement over the earlier hand mixing method, but it requires a specialized dispensing gun that can cost hundreds of dollars. Not exactly cost efficient for the average user. The solution? Welcome to the future of two-component packaging and dispensing. The U TAH cartridge from TAH Industries. The U TAH cartridge is truly a revolutionary product. For the first time, it's possible to fit a two-component cartridge in a professional manual or powered caulking gun. The user has two choices. For most jobs, the static mixer is attached to the U TAH, and mixed materials are dispensed onto the precise location. For small jobs, a dosing tip can be used to proportion A and B and mix with a spatula. The U TAH cartridge works because of its unique, innovative design that mixes both epoxy components to your exact specifications. Within the cartridge, the A material is stored in front of the B material. To dispense the material at a 1-to-1 ratio, the user simply pushes the plunger into the cartridge to advance the back chamber. This forces the B material forward through the interior transfer tube, while simultaneously dispensing the A material through the common outlet. The ratio of the A component to the B component is precisely controlled by the cross-sectional area of the back and front chambers. The inline mixer ensures that both materials are completely and accurately blended, and the entire process is as simple as operating a standard caulking gun. Dispensing a 2-to-1 ratio is just as easy. The user simply operates the dispenser in the same way. However, within the cartridge, the back chamber is exactly 1/2 the volume of the front chamber, controlling the 2-to-1 ratio. Why use special side-by-side cartridges for your two-component adhesives? The U TAH cartridge is durable, easy to use, ensures accurate ratio control, and works with a professional caulking gun. At TAH Industries, the future of two-component packaging and dispensing is already here. Once you try the U TAH cartridge, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it.